This conference will now be recorded.
Just to recap the last session, okay? And as we know, this ECC and EWM both are in different environments, okay? In our first case, different environment, and there is a necessity to build one connectivity between these two, okay? SAP ECC and EWM SEM box, okay? Both are SAP. Both are SAP. What we did is we created two logical systems for two systems and assigned logical systems for the respective clients, and then we maintained a RFC destination. RFC stands for remote function calls. Remote function calls. Remote function calls. Just if we read from the right side, calling the functionalities remotely. Remotely. Okay, those functionalities are adapting from other system and sending some data to the other system and receiving the data from the other system. Means two-way direction. Two-way direction. Okay. This thing. Now, we have seen this RFC destination setup and etc. from SAP ECC, and then what about EWM? Is it necessary to have from the EWM system? We see. Yes, we require from that end as well. Why? Because we are distributing the data between these two systems. I am opening the EWM system now. Okay, go to IMG setup. IMG stands for implementation guide. Okay, this is the generic terminology in the SAP. Okay, implementation guide. SAP is well framed with the proper documentation. That's why there is a monopoly in the ERP solutions. Now, this is the IMG setup within the EWM. Go to the SEM extended warehouse management. SEM basis, one node is there. SEM basis, okay, to establish the connectivity between those two systems. Go to here, integration. The first one is the integration. We are about to integrate our EWM system to ECC. Go to here, basic settings for the creating the system landscape. The same thing we have seen in the SAP ECC as well. Open this, name logical systems. Come to here. T90 CLNT 090 for 800 client, EWM CLNT 400 for EWM system. Okay, this thing. Now, after maintaining the logical systems, it is required to assign a client. In our case, 800 is the ECC client. Open this. Here we have maintained the T90 CLNT 090. Okay, this one. Just as like ECC. Come to 400 client. This is assigned for EWM CLNT 400. Please note that in the decentralized environment, SAP ECC and SEM, both different boxes. Okay, we maintain two logical systems in two systems and assign to different clients. Okay, forget about the S4 HANA. Maybe after this, I will show that as well. Next one, set up RFC destination. From here also we need to establish a connectivity. Go to here, ABAP connections. We are working with both SAP environments. Go to here. What is our destination? T90 CLNT 090. Come to here. Okay, this one. Here administration we can see who is created, when is changed, and etc. It is tracking. Coming to the technical changes, what is the instance number? 68 is there. Okay, the same we can see our ECC. See here, 68 instance number 68. Okay, this one. Now log on and security. Okay, from here I am sending some data to SAP ECC that can be received by this user ID. That can receive by this user ID. And coming to the Unicode, in last session we have seen that say any language special characters and etc. are there, both should be maintained with a unique code. Otherwise, we can get hash symbol in the text. Okay, this thing. Now, now coming to remote logger, if everything is fine, we able to access the SAP ECC system. Okay, this one. And connection here. This is perfect. Otherwise, we will get some red symbols. In last session, I have shown some this thing. Red symbols. See, like this, we can get red symbols. If anything wrong is there between the systems RFC destinations, we see this kind of red symbols. Okay, if system is perfect, we can see like this. Okay, and one more thing, we cannot have any access in the projects, and as a functional consultant can't get any authorization to establish these RFC destinations and etc. For our information and for our landscape purpose only, I am explaining. Even though we have create mode or change mode, please do not touch these RFC destinations. Okay, this is not the part of our practice. Okay, we are intending to work on the warehouse processes itself, not landscape setup. Complete this one is the basis consultant job. Okay, this thing. If you put any time on this RFC destination changing and etc., that is complete 100% wastage of your time. Okay, why? Because in the previous session, some people are interested to change the RFC destinations and etc. Unnecessarily, they are wasting their 1 hour or 2 hour times. Okay, now and in ECC, we have seen that some specific application cases, say any connection is there, what kind of special application cases we can execute, like external debugging, availability check, and etc. We have seen QRFC monitor, like these things. Okay, now we see from EWM end what kind of specific application cases are available. Okay, from this end, assign RFC destinations to various application cases. Come to here. See here, this is a T90 CLT 090. Here blank is there. Blank means in SAP any determination table, if you find out any field is blank, that is applicable for all allowed values. All allowed values. Okay, determination tables wherever you can find, say shipping point determination or else any other determination. If you keep any any field is blank, that is applicable for all the possible entries. Okay, this thing. Come to here. See here some specific application cases are there. Display application log of another system. We have seen SLG1 is the transaction code. Okay, that with the specific authorizations, it is possible to see the application case of the other system. QRFC monitor. From here itself, we can see those. Next, alert monitor. Say in SAP, one alert management separate module is there. If we want to go with any alert management and if we want to track any alert monitors, that is also possible. Debugging, external debugging. Say program is available in SAP EC system. If we maintain the external breakpoints for the specific programs, in that case, with the proper authorizations, it is possible to debug from here itself. Okay, this thing, and any system administration tools, that is also it is possible to see from here itself. SIF cockpit. SIF stands for core interface. Please note, SIF stands for core interface. Core interface. CIF. Normally, this is an application. This is an application to distribute org structure and master data from SAP ECC system to EWM system. EWM system, one-way direction, unidirection. I am using the word unidirection. Unidirection. CIF application. CIF stands for core interface. Okay, this is an application to distribute org structure and master data from SAP ECC system to EWM system in unidirection. I will show you one diagram. Unidirection. If we see one infographic, we will get some idea. CIF application concepts or structure. See here, this is the CIF application. Okay, here if we see right side one horizontal triangle is there, means that is the unidirection. Left side is the ERP system, right side is the EWM system. Say for example, plant and shipping point, those are the organization structure elements. We move from ECC to EWM system. Material master data, we move from ECC to EWM system to this CIF application only. Vendor master and customer master. Okay, forget about the S4 HANA, I will explain you after this. Okay, there is a slight difference within the S4 HANA. Okay, this one. Plant, shipping, point, material, vendor master and customer master. This is the org structure, these are the master data. We execute into two steps. To work with the core interface, one integration model is required. Integration model. We work with this integration model in two steps. The first one is the create generate integration model. The next one is the activate integration model. This one. Activate integration model. This one. For create and generate integration model, we use the transaction code call CFM1. And activate integration model, we use the transaction code called CFM2. Normally, we execute this from front end as well, and through background jobs also as well. Background jobs that we see after one or two sessions. Okay, this is about the core interface. Okay, core interface CIF application works in two steps. One is the create generate integration model, other one is the activate integration model. Okay, two transactions. And please note that this is in unidirection from ECC to EWM only, not from the EWM to ECC only. In further sessions, say for example, I have one doubt. Yeah, after explaining this concept, I am getting one doubt. Okay, say you are saying that unidirection. On Monday, I send some master data into the EWM system, and Wednesday, if I change anything, some description or some any control parameter within the master data, how we can manage that? You are saying that integration model. Okay, that we see within the system. Some steps are there. Okay, live we can go through that. And one more thing, say you are saying that unidirectional. If I want to change the master data within the EWM system allows or not? System allows, which is the decentralized environment, but though the synchronization will be lost. Synchronization. If you want to change any master data, if you are working with ECC and the EWM environment, okay, strictly you can change the master data changes within the ECC and distribute into the EWM only, even though the change mode is available within the EWM system. Okay, why it is available means, say EWM is the standalone system, not only integrated with the SAP ERP, other ERPs also it can be integrated. Otherwise, standalone without integration also we can work with the EWM system. So that's why that option is there. A slight change in the S4 HANA system, I will explain in further systems. And every SIF application stores in some SIF cockpit. From here itself, if I want to access that SIF cockpit, we maintain this as well, SIF cockpit, this one. And last one is the packaging specification. Last one is the packaging specification. Packaging specification. Normally, this packaging specification is a master data within the EWM. Master data within EWM packaging specification. Read from the right side. Specifications for packaging. One product is there. I want to pack that. Okay, I want to pack that. What kind of packaging material I want to use it? Okay, for that to pack the material. Say we are dealing with electronics business. Mobile phones I am selling, chargers I am selling, internet modems also I am selling, laptops also I am selling. In that case, if we see products are different and packaging material boxes also different. Mobile phone, I use some kind of small box. Modem, some medium size, some box. Okay, laptop, something like a big box and etc. Okay, these things. And I want to maintain the specific packaging material against the product. It is possible within the system as a master data. Maintain as a master data. Say against the product, you need to use this packaging material for this application. Like if I maintain, that becomes a packaging specification. That becomes a packaging specification. For better understanding, I am going to see some this one, image. Say here, this is the packaging specification structure. One bottle is there. Leave this second one. One bottle is there. Okay. First, what I am doing, some 12 bottles I am packing, wrapping with some sheet. That is the first level. And next level, after wrapping those bottles, okay, I am keeping those in the cotton boxes. Cotton boxes. Okay. Once after cotton box also packed, what I am doing, some 12 or 24 cotton boxes I am placing on the pallet. Means here I am specifying some packaging attribute against this water bottle. Against this water bottle. If I maintain this structure within the system, that is nothing but the packaging specification. This is the purely EWM master data. Purely EWM master data. Okay. And if I want to maintain some packaging material with reference to this packaging specification within the ECC, we go with this option. We go with this option. Maintain material in ERP system from packaging specification. Okay, these are the specific application cases, and this is also one-time setup only. This can taken care by the basis consultant. Okay, not from the functional end. Next, business system group. Maintain business system group. Now we see that this is one of the important element in the EWM business system group. Business system group. Now here I am giving one statement. EWM can be able to integrate with SAP and non-SAP systems as well. This is my statement. Immediate I have question. Then how the system know that your EWM connected to SAP or not? This is immediate question. Okay. The previous statement is EWM can be able to integrate with SAP and non-SAP systems. That is my statement. Then immediate question. Then how the system know that your EWM is connected to SAP or not? Non-SAP system. SAP or non-SAP system. This one. This is one question. And another statement is EWM can be able to connect multiple SAP or non-SAP systems at a time. Question. Then how do you differentiate the systems? How do you differentiate the systems? Okay. For these two questions, we will get the answer in this note. Say either SAP or non-SAP, we maintain a business system group representing that other system. Okay, my EWM is connecting to SAP ERP or else non-SAP ERP. What I do, I maintain a business system groups for that. Okay, this thing. This one. Say in our case, we have only ECC, and for our EWM also we are maintaining one business system group. Okay, this thing. Here, see here. Now, once after maintaining it, apply logical system and queue type. Say for example, ECC 800 here, T90 CLNT 090 that is assigned, and yeah, beside that one box is there, SAP indicator, checkbox is there. I have selected it. Means that is a SAP system. Okay. Say here one logical system is created for our other system which is integrated with our EWM. Okay. Here I have maintained SAP indicator. So what I can observe, my system is connected with this logical system. Okay, one business system group is maintained, that is SAP system. Okay, that is SAP system. If this is for our own system, now I am asking you one question. See, for example, my EWM is connected to 3 SAP ERPs and 2 non-SAP ERPs. Then how many business system groups we can see here? Please see this. My EWM is connected to 3 SAP ERPs and 2 non-SAP ERPs. Then how many business system groups we can see in this table? Question to all.
I think 5.
Any others?
Should be 3. 1 ECC, 1 EWM, and 1 non-SAP.
Total 6 business system groups. 6 business system groups. 3 for SAP ERPs, 2 for non-SAP ERPs, 1 is for our EWM. 6 ERPs. Total 6 business system groups we can see here. Coming to this table, here also 6 entries, here also 6 entries. 2 are without SAP indicators, 2 are without SAP indicators, 4 are with SAP indicators. Total 6 entries we can see. Okay, this thing. Okay, any doubt regarding this business system group? Like we can see, whenever you are assigned for any support project or etc., in that case, very first day, if you want to see how many systems this EWM is connected, like this thing, straight away go to there and you can see this.
If all the three SAP system is there, so all the client is different or same?
Clients are different as usual.
And same company, why same company running three SAP group for EWM system in ERP?
Why means say different, say I am maintaining one EWM sample system in India. They are using the same EWM component, okay, for multiple warehouses across some other countries and etc. In that case, ACM box is one. I am using SAP ECC system, some multiple. Next, this is the business system group. Now, one more advantage is there. This is the one advantage of the business system group. Other advantage of business system groups, I'm saying. ERP1 connected to my EWM. I have only one EWM. ERP2. Assume that is SAP ERP. Okay. ERP2 also connected to SAP EWM and other ERP SAP 3 also same SAP EWM. This one. And our friend is saying that the clients are different or something. Okay. This one. These systems are connected to my EWM system. Okay. Now see, in ERP1 system, one vendor is there, 2000. It is representing, okay, instead of vendor, I am taking product. Product 2000 is there. That is representing laptop. In ERP2, product is there. 2000. That is representing mobile. ERP3, product is there. 2000. That is modem, internet modem. Router, internet router. If we see here, the same code, product code is using for different products in the different systems. Different products and different systems. Okay, since some 10-15 years they are using SAPs, now they are coming into the EWM system. Okay. For the additional add-on EWM, they cannot change their existing master data. Then how do we handle this? How do we handle this? Normally, whatever it may be the product, that can be stored as in EWM, that can be stored as product and external product. Product and external product. Product and external product. Okay, this thing normally. Here, for this dealing this 2000 product code, if we activate one enhancement, within this enhancement, within this business system groups are available within this business system groups. If we activate this enhancement, this first ERP1 2000 product code for ERP1 business system group is, I am saying that BSG1. Now ERP2 BSG2 like this. Okay, ERP2, BSG2, business system group. ERP3, BST3. These are the business system groups. Now, if I go with the enhancement is nothing but customization, not configuration. Okay, if we go that enhancement, ERP1 product can be stored as 200 at the rate BSG1 as a product within the EWM. Okay, either prefix or suffix. Some coding is there. Your technical consultant will take care of that. That can be shown as 2000 is the external product of BSG1. Here, every product is storing within the EWM with product code and external product. This product code will be stored as like this one. Okay, but here external product of BSG1 along with one business system group, we can see. Okay, it will not any impact to integrate with that same product code from multiple ERP systems. Say if we go to the second product, 2000 at BSG2, that is the product code. Here 2000 external product of BSG2, like it can be stored within the system. Okay, here with reference to business system group, we are activating a enhancement. I will show you one product master. Don't worry, we are going to discuss everything again and again during the master data creation. Go to easy access extended warehouse management, master data, product, maintain warehouse product or product, whatever it may be. If we see here, please mute yourself. If we see here, product is MAPW mat. Product is. I want to know from which system this product came. Coming to here, we see it is business system group. And this is equivalent of external product. This is equivalent of external product. So please read yourself some question. Okay. See here. This is the product. I want to know from which system this is came, means from this business system group with the equivalent of product from here. Equivalent of product from this thing. See here. From here, I want to know from which system this product came. MAPW mat. If we compare with our Excel sheet, you can see. I will show you. No, sorry, not this one. Text box. 2000 at ECC 800, like it will appear. And this one is this is also okay. Here also, if we use here ERP1 business system, so like we can see here ERP1 like this. Okay, like you can see. If for the second product, it can be stored like this, business system. Okay, here in their respective legacy systems, this is the common code. This is the common code, but while saving within the EWM system, like it can be saved. It can be saved. With reference to business system group, we maintain the master data. Maintain the master data. If we see where the enhancement is available means, okay, coming to baddies for specific applications within the integration itself. One second.
Sir, so this product number is same as the material number in ECC?
Yes, same number.
Okay.
Baddie, see here within the integration, one node is there, baddies for specific applications, product. Inbound processing of product. Come to here. This is the baddie. Identical product numbers from different systems. Okay. If we activate this baddie, that can be taken. With reference to business system. If we want to keep the prefix or suffix, just open this baddie and change the code. Work technical. We'll take care of this. And the same logic apply for vendor masters and customer masters. Vendor masters and customer masters are treating as a business partners within the EWM system. So there also we can find out this business system. Go to BP transaction. Here, with reference to indirectly, it can store like this. Logical system is one of the identification, and other is I show you where somewhere it is storing with business system some table. Okay, I will show you within the table. Okay, see here one of the identification is here logical system. This logical system is assigned for the business system group. Business system group and logical system is always 1:1. The same apply for plant and shipping points. Those are locations. Go to location. MAPW. If we go to here, see here also this one. Okay, if the multiple names, multiple ERPs are there, they are maintaining the unique plant numbers or etc. In that case, we have enhancements. Go to SCM basis integration. That is for specific applications. Say here location, inbound processing for location. See here three values are there. If we see location, identical location number from different systems. Okay, we say 1000 plant is there in ERP1 and ERP2. In that case, we can go with locations of different type with similar names. Okay, say for example, plant and storage locations are locations within the EWM system with different location types. Say already we are using, yeah, here one more business case I am saying. Since some 15 years I am using SAP. Normally during the SAP implementations we keep plant and shipping points are with unique name. With unique names. Normally, this is the practice. Why? Because plant and shipping point both are representing the physical addresses. Okay, if we are executing every transaction, shipping activities or purchase activities, sales activities, everything from the same physical location. In that case, we go with the similar names. Now, I am going with EWM implementation. EWM implementation. Plant and shipping points are required to distribute into the EWM system. Okay, but each plant and shipping point maintains as a locations there with different location types. I will show you. This one, plant and shipping point are there. Say plant is maintaining as a location type 1001, shipping point maintained as a location type 1003. 1003. But as for the rule, standard rule, one location is having only one location type. One location is having only one location type. But in our case, since 15 years I am using SAP, my plant and shipping points are the same. For the EWM implementation, I cannot go for new shipping point and etc. With the same I want to proceed. Same I want to proceed. In that case, what we can do? We activate this body enhancement. Locations of different type with similar names. The system can keep the prefix or suffix for the location. Okay, the same logic here. See here, one second. Location. This one. Here, location is location under the rate BSC system, BSC system or something. We can see here. External location and business system groups they can. Okay. This is the advantage of, these are the advantages of business system. Okay, this is very important at high level business system. Okay, what we have seen is it is for checking, it is for validating either the system connectivity system is SAP or not. One side, other side is if we have the unique names of the product masters locations. In that case, we go with this enhancement with reference to our business system groups. And one more thing, this business system group and system always 1:1 relationship. This one always 1:1. Yes, next one. This one. One logical system we cannot assign for two business systems, and one business system we cannot assign for two logical systems. This entry is 1:1. And as usual, this is also responsibility of the basis consultant. But we need to involve any during the implementations and etc. Okay, requirement gathering phase. Just to check with either they are using the similar kind of locations or similar kind of vendor and customer masters and etc. In that case, just activate this status. Activate this status. Okay, these are the advantages of business system group, and you can expect at least one or two certification questions with reference to business system group. At least one you can get guaranteed. This one. Next. Settings for QRFC communications. Okay, this we can see in the further session. Now, this is about the high level landscape setup from EWM to ECC. Okay, we have seen from ECC to EWM and EWM to ECC. Now, what about S4 HANA? S4 HANA is for a single system. Here, two boxes we are using, but within the S4 HANA, we use only one box. Only one box. Then how do we maintain RFC destinations, logical systems, and etc. We see now. I'm going into S4 HANA system. The only one 400 client we are going to use. Coming to IFG setup. Integration with other SAP components. Extended warehouse management. Basic settings for system landscape. Name logical system. One thing here. One thing. One logical system and HU4. Wait. T41 EWM. Okay, here one logical system is there. Another one is one dummy logical system. Okay, even though we are with a single system and embedded EWM, according to the decentralized properties of our EWM system, we need to have two logical systems. One is main logical system, another one is EWM dummy logical system. Here BP1 some 400 is the dummy logical system. Now coming to assignment of client. Assign logical system to a client. Here 400 is always 1:1 relation. For main logical system only we can maintain. But coming to the RFC destination, as like our ERP and SCM environment, we maintain both RFC destinations. Go to setup RFC destination. Operation manager. Okay, today I will ask authorization for him. Here also we can maintain like this, not this one. Logical system and queue types and etc. the same. Okay, here the main difference is, even though we are working with S4 HANA system, we require two logical systems. One is for main logical system, another one is for the dummy logical system. That dummy logical system we use for EWM connectivity. Now coming to the EWM end, this is from ECC end. EWM end, everything is available in the same system. Here embedded, this one. Go to SCM extended warehouse management, SCM basic, integration, basic settings for creating system landscape, name logical systems. Here also the same path, BP1 CLNT 400 and assign logical system based the same node.
So this all thing done by basis consultant or
Basis only, sir, not our, this is not our job.
okay. So SCM basis is there. Okay.
Pardon? Yes, basis consultant only. Okay. The mainly difference, see here, business system group. Here BSG business system group LP, they have maintained business system group for we can check what they have maintained. Assign logical system and the queue types. See here, BSG group, same business system group they have assigned for both logical systems. Same business system group they have assigned for both logical systems. Okay, one is for dummy, another one is for logical system. But coming to our decentralized, we cannot maintain like this.
So we don't have CFA.
Coming to the SIF environment, for plant and shipping points, we require the SIF, remaining not required. For product masters and business masters. Slowly we discuss in further sessions. Yeah. SIF application, transaction, and everything is there. Okay. Here in the S4 HANA, SIF application is there. We use for plant and shipping points, not for the products. Okay. That I will run some transactions. Correct, the same. So I will. And here also, say for example, my EWM is in S4 HANA. I want to integrate one local ERP and some other systems also. That is also possible. Come to here, SCM basis. Here we can maintain business system groups, multiple business system groups, and we assign to logical system. The same thing. Say EWM is available in this system. This is integration with our local ECC. Apart from that, it is connected to some other systems. That is also possible. That is also okay. What is that? This is about the high level landscape setup from EWM to ECC, and we have seen the logical system and dummy logical system set up within the S4 HANA. Okay, this is the major difference. Coming to the S4 HANA, one is the main logical system, another one is the dummy logical systems. Actually, I do not have the authorization to show you RFC destination, etc. Tomorrow I will show you. Today I will get the authorization from him. Okay, and tomorrow I will show you. Okay, this thing. Okay, sir, any doubts regarding this landscape setup? Slowly, we jump into application tomorrow.
Sir, I'm actually very like business system and logic system. So in our EWM, we are having different plans. So it needs to be configured in logical system or business system. That's a small doubt from my side.
Say your plans are in which same client or different clients?
Different plans.
Clients, I am asking.
Same client, same client.
Same client, only one business system group is enough.
Okay.
One business system group is enough. Yeah. If you have multiple clients, 300, 400, 500 clients, for each client you need to maintain one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
So CAF means core interface. In that we are transferring data, that is org structure and master data. Is it possible to do additional data transfer also?
Pardon?
CAF is an interface, na, sir.
Yep.
Through that we can transfer master data and org structure, right?
Correct.
Is it possible to transfer transactional data?
No, for that separate application is there, we will discuss. Yeah.
And
QRX is, yeah.
tell me, sir.
QRX functionality is there, sir, that is bidirectional.
Uh-huh.
We are about to discuss maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay, fine, sir.
SIP for transactional revenue?
Pardon, sir?
We are not using SIP for transactional.
No. SIF only for org structures and master data. Okay. And coming to the difference wise between the decentralized and S4 HANA environment, in S4 HANA we use the SIP application for plant and shipping points only. That is mandatory. Even though our S4 HANA is embedded within the S4 HANA, SIF is mandatory for plant and shipping points.
Shipping point.
Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, plant and this one material master and vendor customer master is not required. That we see. Okay. So, yeah.
Hello, sir. I'm Arvind here.
Copy.
Do we send any data to SAP ECC back after any transaction from EWM to ECC?
It's too early.
What means you mean master data, right?
No, any transaction happen in EWM, do we send those data to
Yes,
ECC?
that will happen. Say, for example, in coming days, we are going to do the inbound deliveries and outbound deliveries. Again, as the inbound delivery, if I do the goods receipt, automatically that acknowledgement back into the EC system. Further, some application we handle in a different way. We are about to discuss it. Yeah.
Okay, so apart from this one, we will handle EDIs as well in EWM? EDIs?
EGI.
Yes.
EDA, electronic data interface.
Electron data
Yes,
interchange.
yes.
Not required. Not required.
For example, EDI, for example, inbound 856,
No.
PJ942. That is not there here.
EWM is low. EWM is at lower end, below the ERP system. Okay, up to ERP, we use the EDI system. That EDI can create any inbound delivery within the ERP system. Okay, according to some control parameters, it will distribute into the EWM we process there. And and one more thing. Say my ERP is non-SAP ERP. In that case, we go with IDOCs and this interfaces, etc. IDOCs, standard IDOCs are available. Okay. Non-SAP ERP means, say now I am creating purchase orders or deliveries in non-SAP system. In that case, the data can be come into the EWM through some standard IDOCs are there. With the reference to that, we work with the EWM. Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah.
So one more question. And just in case, for example, if you do an outbound delivery, then the stock between the ECC and EWM should be same. So do we have any setup to sync the stock as soon as it is been updated in ECC, it should update in EWM?
Yes, sir. Yes, we have some interface called availability group is there. Yeah, we will do that.
Okay. Okay.
Everything should be unique, sir. Say, for example, in ERP, system is showing 100 quantities in the EWM warehouse level 80. That is absolutely wrong, right? Say I
Correct.
create out element for 100 and but here the 100 is not available. So some concept is there, availability group concept is there. We are about to discuss everything in our sessions. Yeah.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for attending the session. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will meet at 7:15. Yeah. Bye.